To calculate the number of fixtures required to achieve 1-foot candle at floor level for emergency egress, firstly, you need to determine the dimensions of the hallway. This involves measuring the length, denoted as L, and the width, denoted as W, of the hallway in feet. Secondly, calculate the area of the hallway. The area, represented as A, is found by multiplying the length and width, so A equals L times W, resulting in square feet. Thirdly, determine the required light output. In this case, the requirement is 1-foot candle, abbreviated as FC. Fourthly, select a fixture with the appropriate light output. Check the fixture's specifications to find the light output, which is usually provided in lumens, abbreviated as LM. Then convert lumens to foot candles using the formula foot candles equals lumens divided by the quantity area times maintenance factor. Note that the maintenance factor accounts for the reduction in light output over time due to dirt and dust accumulation. For interior spaces, a typical maintenance factor is 0.75. Fifthly, calculate the number of fixtures required. This is done by multiplying the required light output by the area and the maintenance factor, and then dividing by the light output per fixture. The formula is number of fixtures equals the quantity foot candles times a times maintenance factor, divided by the quantity lumens per fixture. Let's go through an example. Suppose the hallway dimensions are length equals 20 feet and width equals 4 feet. The area A is therefore 20 times 4, which equals 80 square feet. The required light output is 1-foot candle. The fixture output is 1000 lumens. The maintenance factor is 0.75. Using the formula, the number of fixtures equals the quantity 1 times 80 times 0.75 divided by 1000, which equals 0.6 fixtures. Therefore, you will need 1 fixture to provide approximately 1-foot candle at floor level in the hallway. This calculation ensures adequate emergency lighting for safe egress. Remember that this is a simplified calculation. For complex spaces or critical applications, consulting a lighting professional is recommended. They can perform more detailed calculations and consider factors such as light distribution, reflectance, and uniformity to ensure optimal lighting performance and compliance with relevant codes and standards. Proper emergency lighting is crucial for safety.